There are times in life when the path ahead seems hidden, when the doubt clouds our direction, and we wonder, where do I go from here? But Krishna reminds us in the Gita that the path is already lit. Today's message is for anyone standing in uncertainty, unsure of which way to go, or whether Krishna is even guiding them. So often we think we are lost because we cannot see the full journey ahead. But not seeing isn't the same as being lost. In the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 10, text 11, Krishna says, Tesham evanukam partam aham ajnanajam tamaha nasayami atma bhavatso jnana deepena bhashvataha. Which means, to show special mercy to the devotees, I, dwelling in their hearts, destroy with the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born of ignorance. He is the light, not just around us, but within us, and that inner light may not reveal the whole road, but it always shows us the next step. When Arjuna stood on the battlefield, overwhelmed with grief and doubt, he wanted to give up. He questioned everything, his role, his duty, his very existence. And Krishna didn't give him a guarantee. He didn't say, here is how it will end. Instead, he said something deeper. You have right to perform your duty, but not to the fruits of your actions. In other words, walk your path with devotion. Trust me, leave the outcome in my hands. What does it mean when we say the path is already lit? It means Krishna is always guiding through intuition, conscience, scripture and experience. He is the lamp of truth, but his light doesn't flood the entire journey. It shines softly, just enough to show your next step. But why? Because faith grows in darkness. Surrender begins when certainty ends, and Krishna wants not just our obedience, but our love. If you have been praying, asking for a sign and hearing nothing, remember, Krishna is always speaking, sometimes not in words, but in delays, detours, or doors gently closing. We often expect a divine roadmap, but what Krishna offers is presence. And presence is more powerful than prediction. Even in silence, He is there. Even in confusion, His light is steady. You don't have to see the full path. Just walk the next step with sincerity, with love, with Krishna in your heart. Surrender doesn't mean giving up. It means placing your will in His hands and saying, lead me, Lord, even if I can't see. Because the path has already been prepared, already lit, and already blessed. If this message spoke to your soul, I invite you to subscribe to the light within you. This is the space to talk with Krishna, not perfectly, but faithfully. In the comments, share what step you are taking in devotion today. No matter how small, every step offered to Krishna becomes sacred. Until next time, may Krishna light guide you, hold you, and bring you peace wherever you go.